Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, September the 14th. Positive day Friday, positive week in stocks. E-mini S&P added 11 points, 1960. The S&P was up 2% on a weekly basis on those 4 days with the shortened holiday week. The Dow futures up 130, 16,436, also up 2%. And the Nasdaq was the leader of the day, leader of the week actually, up 3%, 43.25, up 30 points on Friday. The dollar had a little slide on Friday, down 25, 95.38, having trouble staying above the 96 or getting back above the 9600 level. The euro currency had a big bounce last week, up 150 points on a weekly basis. 113.36 was the close, that was up 51. Treasuries had a little bit of firmness on Friday, up 101, 154.26, pushing yields down a little bit on the long end of the curve. Crude oil was off on Friday, down $1.30, a $1.40 loss on a weekly basis, ended up finishing at 44.60 with that important support down below at 43 to keep an eye on. And lastly, gold held above the $1,100 an ounce level, that threshold that we'll be looking at as a pivot on a weekly basis, closed at 1103 down 6. The session low on Friday was 1098, and the loss for the week was $17. So after a positive Friday and a positive week, where's the market stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're seeing a little bit of follow-through buying. We're up 3 points in the E-mini S&P, 1953, up 7 points in the Dow futures, 16,443, and the Nasdaq is positive 10 at 43.26. The dollar is steady, 95.44. The euro currency right now is at 113.42.11. Now, I want to point out we are trading the December contracts in the stock index futures. Bond futures right now, 155.02, up a couple of ticks. Crude oil's unchanged, and gold's up $1 at 11.05. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we've got the December E-mini futures right now in the S&P up 3 points, December Dow futures up 7, and December Nasdaq futures up 10 points. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.